Hello and welcome to Simple-ESL, a simple way to learn English. And in this lesson, we will be talking about the alphabet and vowel sounds. This lesson is designed for newcomers and will aim to introduce vowel sounds. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to identify and pronounce the vowel sounds in the British English. So, as I said, this lesson is aimed at newcomers. If you would like lessons or worksheets, scan the QR code. It will take you to our Patreon page where you can find our worksheets. Let's get started with this second lesson. We've completed our first lesson on the alphabet. We're moving on to our second lesson. So I'd like you to practice the sounds and repeat as we go through. So listen, repeat. Feet, cheese, seat, E, feet, cheese, seat, E, city, sit, sister, I, city, sit, sister. Good. Sugar, book, ooh, good, ud, sugar, book, ook, ooh. New, new, blue, blue, student, student, ooh, new, blue, student. Heavy, heavy, head, head, exit, exit, air, air, heavy, head, exit. Country, country, sun, sun, jump, jump. So we have jump, sun, country, tall, tall, walk, walk, saw, saw. We have saw, walk, tall, tall. Apple, apple, cat, cat, hat, 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 cat, apple, dark, dark, hot, hot, father, father, dark, ah, hot, father, ah, rain, rain, eight, eight, they, a, rain, a, eight, eight, they, they. How about this one? Listen and repeat. Boy, boy, toy, toy, oil, oil, oi, oi, boat, boat, window, o, road, o, road, o, o, sky, sky, sign, sign, fly, fly, eye, sign, eye, sky, eye, mouth, mouth, loud, loud, house, house, ow, mouth, ow, loud, ow, house, ow, bird, bird, girl, girl, first, er, first, first, girl, girl, bird, d. Let's practice some of these. What's the sound? A, B, or C? The vowel sound in cat, cat. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At, ah. Book, book. A, B, or C? Ook. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, book, ook. Good job. We have a few more of these, and if you would like a worksheet to practice some more, why not go to the code in our description. So, listen, the vowel sound in cake, cake. A, B, C. ache, ache, cake. Fantastic. Well done with all the work working on the vowel sounds. So now we know how words should sound in sentences, in words, in English. So when we hear it, we know how to pronounce it. Practice this. You can go through the video, going through all the examples, see if you can find more examples to try with the vowel sounds. If you would like more help, as I said, there is the worksheet in the description below where we have lots of examples for you to practice with. But keep practicing the sound, keep speaking, and I will see you in the next lesson.